Hello my dear students, today we are going to solve exercise 2.5 from the chapter 2 fractions and decimals of the class 7. In this exercise you are going to learn how to divide decimals. So let's start. Here this is the first question. Find. So here they have given one decimal number and one whole number, and we have to divide the decimal number by whole number. Okay, so how to divide it, I'll tell you. First of all, I'll take the first question, that is 0.4 should be divided by 2. Okay, now while dividing, just we have to forget the decimal point. Okay, so when if I forgot the decimal point, the number will become 0.4. 0.4 means what? 4. Okay, so when you divide 4 by 2, what you will get the answer? You will get the answer as 2, because 2 2s are 4, right? So now we have to think for the decimal point. So this decimal point is present just before one digit, right? Therefore the answer also should have a decimal point just before one digit. So here only we have one digit. So how to write the decimal point? It should be 0.2. Now if you check the answer, you will understand that there is one digit is present after decimal point, same as the question. Okay, so the answer is 0.2. I think you all understood. Let's solve the second one, that is 0.35 should be divided by 5. Now forget the decimal point, you will get the number as 35. When we divide 35 by 5, we get the answer as 7, because 5 7s are 35, right? Now here the decimal point is present just before 2 digits, right? Therefore the answer also should have the decimal point just before 2 digits. Therefore the number 7 will become as 0.07. Okay. Next we have the question as 2.48 divided by 4. Okay. Now here if we forget the decimal point, we get the number as 248 divided by 4. Right. So let's divide this number by 4. 4 6 are 24. So I got the remainder as 0. Now this 8 came down. Now 4 2s are 8. So I got the remainder as 0. Now I got the answer as 62. Okay. Now in the question we have decimal point just before 2 digits. Therefore the answer will become 0.62. Okay. Next we have 65.4 divided by 6. That means we have to divide 654 by 6. Okay. So 6 ones are 6. Now 5 came down. So now 6 zeros are 0. Now 4 came down. So I got the 6 9s are 54. So I got the answer as 109. Okay. Now here in the question we have decimal point just before one digit. That means the answer also should have the decimal point just before one digit. Therefore 109 will become 10.9. Okay. Next we have 651.2 divided by 4. So we have to divide 6512 by 4. So 4 ones are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 5 came down. Now 4 6 are 24. 25 minus 24 is 1. Now 1 came down. So it became 11. So now 4 2s are 8. So we got 0 3. Now 2 came down. Now 4 8s are 32. So we got the answer as 1628. But in the question the decimal point is present just before one digit. Therefore the answer will become 162.8. Okay. Next we have 14.49 divided by 7. That means we have to divide 1449 by 7. Okay. So 7 2s are 14. 14 minus 14 is 0. 4 came down. Now 7 zeros are 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Now 9 came down. So 7 7s are 49. That's why I got the answer as 207. Now in the question we have decimal point just before 2 digits. Therefore the answer also will have decimal point just before 2 digits. Therefore 207 became 2.07. Okay. Now in the next one we have 3.96 divided by 4. That means we have to divide 396 by 4. Now 4 9s are 36. 39 minus 36 is 3. Now 6 came down. So 4 9s are 36 again. So I got the answer as 99. Now here we have decimal point just before 2 digits. That means the answer 99 will become 0.99. Okay, next we have 0.80 divided by 5. So that means we have to divide 80 by 5. So here 5 ones are 5. We got 8 minus 5 is 3. Now 0 came down. Now 5 6 are 30. So we got the answer as 16. Therefore, as decimal point is present just before 2 digits in the question, therefore the answer also will have decimal point just before 2 digits. So here the first question finished. Now let's move to the next question, that is second one. Now here we have one decimal number and it got divided by, in every question it is divided by 10 only. Okay, so for this we have one rule. I'll tell you. First of all we will solve the first question, okay, and then I'll tell you the rule. Now this decimal point, what we will do, we will convert it into fraction. 4.8 can be written as 48 upon 10. Okay, so 48 upon 10 is going to be divided by 10. So while dividing we have to use the rule that the first fraction will remain as it is and the second number will have to write it as a reciprocal of that. So 48 upon 10, and we have to change the sign of the division by multiplication, and then we have to write the reciprocal of the second number. So here the 10 became 1 upon 10. Okay, now 48 ones are 48 and 10 tens are 100. So we got the answer 48 upon 100 can be written in the decimal format as 0.48. Why 0.48? Because in the denominator we have two zeros, so we have to put decimal point just before 2 digits. Here we had written 48 upon 10. Why? Because here the decimal point was there just before 1 digit. That's why we wrote 10 in the denominator. Okay. Now when you look carefully at the question and the answer, you will understand that the answer and question, both of them have the same digits. Okay, just the decimal point, the place of the decimal point has got changed. Okay, so here in the first in the question we had decimal point just before 1 digit, but in the answer we got the decimal point just before 2 digits. So the rule is, while dividing a number by 10, 100 or 1000, such numbers, the digits of the number and the quotient are same. Okay, see here, the digits are same only. But the decimal point in the quotient shifts to the left by as many places as there are zeros over 1. That means the decimal point got shifted towards left by how many zeros we have to divide. See here, we are going to divide the number by 10, right? And 10 has only 1 0. That's why the decimal point got shifted by 1 place. Okay, and see here, 1 place it got shifted, right? And it is also towards left. So the rule if we follow, no need of doing this calculation. So let's follow the rule and solve the remaining questions. The second one we have 52.5 divided by 10. Now 10 has 1 0. So this decimal point gets shifted towards left by 1 digit. So the number will become 5.25. Okay. Now in the third one we have 0.7 divided by 10. So the answer will be 0.07. Now in the fourth one we have 33.1 divided by 10. So the answer will become 3.31. Okay. Next we have 272.23. That will become 27.223. Okay. Just 1 digit is going to be shift. 1 digit. 1 place of the decimal point gets shifted towards left because we are going to divide it by 10. Okay. Next we have 0.56 divided by 10 will become 0.056. and 3.97 will become 0.397. Okay. Now let's move to the next question, that is third one. See here same questions are there, just it is divided by 100 now. Okay, and you all know the rule. So let's check by, first of all we will check it by solving by our regular method. So here we have 2.7 and it is going to be divided by 100. So 2.7 can be written as 27 upon 10 and divided by 100. So 27 by 10 multiply by 1 upon 100. Now 27 ones are 27 and 10 into 100 gives the answer as 1000. Now as we have 3 zeros in the place of denominator, so we have to write it in the decimal point as 0.027 because we need three digits after decimal point as we have 1000 in the place of denominator. So see here the decimal point got shifted by 2 digits, right? Here it was that got shifted by 2 digits towards left side. Why? Because we had 100 here. Now let's use this rule and solve the next one, that is 0.3 divided by 100 can be got the answer as 0.003. Okay, now 0.78 will become 0.0078. Here we will write it as 4.326. Next here we will write it as 0.236. And here we will write the answer as 0.9853. It's very easy, just you have to remember. Okay. Now next question we have fourth one, that is 7.9 divided by 1000. Now here all the numbers are divided by thousands. That means we have to shift the decimal point by 3 digits towards left. Because of this rule. Okay, just we will check it by first question we will check it by our regular solution. Okay, so 7.9 will write as 79 upon 10 and divided by 1000. So this will become 79 by 10 multiplied by 1 upon 1000. So 79 ones are 79 and 10 into 1000 is 10,000. Okay. So as there are 4 zeros, we have to write the answer as 0.0079. Now see here, we divided this decimal number by 1000 and 1000 has 3 zeros. So this decimal point got shifted by 3 digits towards left. See here, before it was here, it got shifted by 3 digits. Okay. So let's use this rule and let's solve the next one, that is 26.3 divided by 1000. So here the answer will be 0.0263 because the decimal point should get shifted by 3 digits, but we had here only 2 digits, so we have to add here 1 0. Okay. Next we have 38.53, so the answer will become 0.03853. 128.9 will become 0.1289. 0.5 will become 0.005. Okay, 0.005. Okay. Next we have the fifth question. We have both the numbers decimals in most of the questions. In only 2 questions we have one whole number and one decimal number. Okay, so let's learn how to divide a decimal number by decimal number. So first of all we will take the first question, that is 7 divided by 33.5. Okay, so we will convert it into fractions. So 7 will become 7 upon 1 and it should get divided by 35 upon 10. Okay, why 35 upon 10? Because we have decimal number with 1 digit before after decimal number. Okay, so 33.5 became 35 upon 10. Now as we have division sign in between, so we have to write the reciprocal of the second number and we have to change the sign by multiplication. So this will become 7 upon 1 multiplied by 10 upon 35. Now here 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. So 1 tens are 10 and 1 fives are 5. Now again we can divide it by 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So I got the answer as 2. Okay. Next one we have 36 divided by 0.2. So 36 will become 36 upon 1 and 0.2 will become 2 upon 10. So 36 upon 1 will remain as it is, and then we have to find the reciprocal of 2 upon 10, that is 10 upon 2, and we will change the sign of division by multiplication. Now here 2 ones are 2, 2 18s are 36. So 18 tens are 180 upon 1 can be written as 180 as the answer. Third one we have 3.25 divided by 0.5. Now here 3.25 can be written as 325 upon 100 and 0.5 can be written as 5 upon 10. So next step will be we have to write the reciprocal of the next second number, and we have to change the sign of the division by multiplication. So 325 upon 100 multiplied by 10 upon 5 it will become. Now here 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 2 remain, and 5 5s are 25. Now and here 0 0 will get 0 0 will go. Okay, so 65 ones are 65 upon 10 ones are 10. Now this can be written as 6.5. Okay, next we have 30.94 divided by 0.7. So 30.94 can be written as 3094 upon 100 divided by 7 upon 10. So we will write the multiplication sign and we will write the reciprocal of the second number. So this will become 3094 upon 100 multiplied by 10 upon 7. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 fours are 28, 2 remain. Now again 7 fours are 28, 1 remain, 7 twos are 14. So and this 0 0 will go. So 442 upon 10. This can be written as 44.2. Okay, next we have 0.5 divided by 0.25. So 0.5 can be written as 5 upon 10 and 0.25 can be written as 25 upon 100. Now let's change the sign and we will write the reciprocal of the second number. So 5 upon 10 multiplied by 100 upon 25. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25 and 0 0 will get out. So 10 ones are 10 and 5 ones are 5. Now again we can cut it. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we got the answer as 2. Okay. Next we have sixth one, that is 7.75 divided by 0.25. Now 7.75 can be written as 775 upon 100 and 0.25 can be written as 25 upon 100. Now we have to change the sign and we have to write the reciprocal of the second number. Okay. Now here 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75, 2 remain. Again 25 ones are 25. And these two, both the zeros will go. So 31 ones are 31 and 1 ones are 1. So the answer we got it as 31. Okay. Next we have 76.5 divided by 0.15. So 76.5 can be written as 765 upon 10 and 0.15 can be written as 15 upon 100. So now we have to change the sign and we have to write the reciprocal. Therefore 765 upon 10 multiplied by 100 upon 15. Now 15 ones are 15, 15 fives are 75, 15 fives are 75, 1 remain and 15 ones are 15. And this 0 0 will go. So 510 upon 1. Okay, that can be written as 510. Next we have 37.8 divided by 1.4. 37.8 can be written as 378 upon 10 divided by 1.4 can be written as 14 upon 10. Now we will change the sign and we will write the reciprocal. So we got like this way. Now 14 ones are 14 and 14 twos are 28. Now 9 remain. Now 98 we have 14 sevens are 98. Now 0 0 will go. So we got the answer as 27. Okay. Next we have 2.73 divided by 1.3. 2.73 can be written as 273 upon 100 and 1.3 can be written as 13 upon 10. Now we will change the sign and we will write the reciprocal of the second number. So we got it like this way. Now 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 1 remain, 13 ones are 13. So 0, 0 will go. Now we got the answer as 21 upon 10. That can be written as 2.1. Okay, so let's move to the next question, that is sixth one now. A vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. Now they are telling that there is a vehicle that covers a distance of 43.2 km by 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? Okay, so whenever we have to find about one thing, okay, 1 liter of petrol we are going to find out, right? At that time we have to divide. Okay, so first of all we will write the given things. Given is what? A vehicle covers a distance as 43.2 km and it needed the petrol is 2.4 liter. So we will divide 43.2 by 2.4. Okay, just use our solution rules, that is 43.2 can be written as 432 by 10 and 2.4 can be written as 24 upon 10. Now we will change the sign and we will reciprocal the second number. So the number became 432 upon 10 multiplied by 10 upon 24. Now here 24 ones are 24, 24 so 19 remain, and then 24 eights are 192. Okay, and here 0, 0 will go. So we got the answer as 18 upon 1 can be written as 18. That means in 1 liter of petrol the vehicle will cover the distance is equal to 18 km. So here the exercise 2.5 ends. If you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box. If you like my teaching then please subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone.